What a beautiful morning it is. We haven't been on the Owl Road lately at the Valleyfield Demo Woodlot. So, here we go. I already parked the vehicle. Yeah, there I am. On deck date with my camera. See the moon above the trees. The birds are singing. Lots of choices. The road. There's the trail. And go this way. And then we'll go that way. This trail is a little bumpy and lots of twigs. And I just remembered I have to look for Lady Slipper today. I don't remember them on this trail. But I don't see them here. I know exactly where to go. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Sun's high in the sky. A little bit of a breeze. And I hear the birds.